Hello guys and welcome back to the Common Fox channel. Today we're gonna chat about from Victoria, the capital city of the Seychelles, into the sea where we will have ourselves some sumptuous lunch and explore the island in our own way. So come with me guys and let's have some fun.
Memories are all we keep in the silence when we sleep. Every night hollow cold, holding on to watch it fall. Hopes that flicker in the night, faded slowly out of sight. Desperate whispers speaking of holding on to broken